So the viaduct is closed today and tomorrow for our semi-annual inspection. We also take the opportunity to do a lot of maintenance on the highway. We can get a lot more work done in a weekend than months of nighttime work. So while we're doing the inspection, very thorough inspection, our maintenance crews are out here, the states and the cities, doing some much needed maintenance. So we're doing the usual surveys of the structure to see if there's been any new settlement. We're looking at cracks that we've been monitoring since the Nisqually earthquake, and then doing other visual inspections as well. So we're standing here on the southern section of the viaduct primarily because on April 14th we're going to open bids on a project we call Holgate to King Street, and that project will ultimately remove this section of viaduct that we're standing on. So the southern, we call it the southern mile, it's about 40% of the overall length, will be replaced by the project that will go to construction this summer. That project has multiple construction phases, and then we'll be working hard to get communication out on how traffic will move around during those phases. When all is said and done, this section will be replaced by a new Highway 99. We're going to demolish this part. This section, our current schedule is that it would be demolished in mid-2012. So we'll build half of the new roadway to the west of where we're standing, and by mid-2012 that roadway will be done and we can move all the traffic onto that, and then we'll demolish this section of the viaduct and build the remainder of that project. Our goal is to keep SR 99 open as much as possible. There will be a couple of short closures while we have some detours, but through the bulk of the construction we'll have at least 2 lanes in each direction on SR 99. There will be some impacts on First Avenue, on Alaskan Way, on Atlantic, Royal Brome. We have detours for all of those, but as we move through, we're gonna do a lot of communication on how people can get around.